Hi, here is a really cool, affordable 1966 SS Chevy Chevelle for sale. And this company is asking $32,900. It looks like it's a really great car. And that's the phone number on the bottom right. You can call them if you have any questions or if you'd like to purchase this car. And it is really cool. I like it and hope you like it too. I have a bunch of photos of this car for the rest of this video, so watch all of this and you'll see it all. Okay, thanks.